Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp duplicate contact bug. If you are new to here, please hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp. First, if you're iPhone user, go to your WhatsApp and hold on to here. For me, two finger pull it down and it will refresh all your contact. If you're Android user, go to the three dots over here, click, and you can see option called refresh. I'll put a screenshot side as well. And this forces WhatsApp to resync with your phone's actual contact list and often removes all duplicates instantly. Step 2. Turn off contact sync for secondary account. If you are using multiple Google account or iCloud account, go to the settings and scroll down to the bottom and you can see option called apps. Click that and find the contacts here and click the contacts and go to the contact accounts and go to the iCloud or your Google account. Make sure to turn off the toggle and click the keep on my iPhone. And once you've done that, go to your WhatsApp and reopen the WhatsApp. And this ensures it pulls contact from only one source. Step 3. Clear WhatsApp cache and resync. This is only for Android users. Go to your settings, apps, and click WhatsApp and storage and tap on the clear cache. Once you're done, reopen the WhatsApp and click on the new chat and refresh again. And that's it. If video helped, hit the like and drop a comment with the what worked for you. Subscribe for more helpful tutorial like this.